Hi, good evening friends. This is Ajay and welcome to my channel Techno Adda. Right now I have Infinix Hot S3 mobile and I'm going to unbox this phone and let's see what are the specifications of this phone and what are the physical overview of this phone.
So friends, here we have the mobile box, and let me open this box, and we can see here first, this is the mobile. And let me remove this protective case from the screen, from the front side and also from the back side. Mm, and let me boot this phone first and keep it inside. And here we'll see the other accessories in this phone. This is the jelly cover, and this is the power adapter, which have output to 5 volt or 2 ampere. I think this is the little fast charger. And this is the USB cable. This is the USB cable. And uh, this cable looks like approx 1 meter long in length. And friends, what is this? Let's check. mm, oh, these are the some paperwork and warranty cards, papers, etc. Oh, there is a protective screen guard, which is of plastic. And let me keep all this document in the side, and let's focus on the phone. Guys, here we can see, let me tell you the physical overview of this phone. Guys, here we have in the front, this is the front flash and camera, which is 20 megapixel, and this is sensor. And in the left side of this phone, we can see here sim and memory card inserting place. And in the bottom of this phone, this is the mic and charging slot and speaker. And in the right side of this phone, power button and volume rockers. On the top of this phone, this is the headphone jack. And in the back side, we can see the fingerprint sensor. And this is the main camera, which is 13 megapixel with LED flash. And guys, this phone looks like pretty cool in golden color. And this phone has a lightweight, and this is very comfortable in our hand, and we can operate this phone by a single hand. And this is very pretty good. Let's see the quick specifications in this phone. Here we have a Snapdragon 430 1.4 GHz octa-core processor and Android Oreo 8.0, which is very good, with 3 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, and expandable 128 GB. And this phone is dual SIM with a 13 megapixel primary camera with a 2.0 focus aperture, and also 20 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture focus, and 4000 mAh battery. That is very good for long lasting battery. And here we have a fingerprint sensor in back side of this phone. If we talk about the screen, it is 18:9 display ratio. And let's go to the setting and see what are the specification inside this phone. Let me click on the about phone. And here we can see the CPU is of octa-core, and RAM 3 GB, ROM 32 GB, battery 4000 mAh, and camera 13 megapixel, 20 megapixel. And here you can see Android version 8.0. And the price of this phone is 9,999 rupee, but my friend has buy this phone at the price 8,999 only. Let me set up the fingerprint and passcode to To know how fast the fingerprint sensor works, um, let me put the simple pattern and confirm this pattern, and uh, now done. And I'm setting up, just tap 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 and tap tap, and it is done. uh, Finish it, and let's check how fast and the fingerprints work. And this is off screen and touch and on, off screen and touch the sensor, and it is on, off, and it is on, on, yes, off screen and it is on. So guys, the fingerprint sensor is little fast. It is about 1 second, and I will say guys, the phone is pretty good at this price, 8999 only. So guys, it is a very good phone.
Friends, I have taken some pictures from the main camera of this phone and also from the selfie camera of this phone, and I'm going to show all that photos in front of you, and you will guess the quality of the camera of this phone.
So guys, here are some photos that I have clicked from the main camera of this phone, and also I have clicked some photos from the selfie cameras. And so guys, you can get the idea of the quality of the camera of this phone. I will say the both camera of this phone has very good quality photos. Here you can see my selfie photo that is taken from the selfie camera. Here is another one selfie.
Friends, if you like this video, then click on the like button, and please subscribe my channel Techno Adda, and also share this video to all of your friends in WhatsApp, Hike, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Thank you friends.